Rock-solid business funding for risky businesses. What are risky businesses? These are defined by the SIC, Standard Industrial Classification, and the NAICS, North American Industry Classification System. The SIC system is being phased out, but it's not gone yet. Industries can be either restricted or high risk. Normally, restricted and high risk industries have some things in common. There might be high risks of injury on the job, or the industry may engage in a lot of cash transactions. This is true regardless of the safety record of a particular business or the majority of its transaction types. According to the SIC, the following industries are high risk: auto, recreational vehicle or boat sales, and travel agencies. See https://www.referenceforbusiness.com/industries/finance-insurance-real-estate/land-subdividers-developers-accept-cemeteries.html. The NAICS agrees. See https://www.naics.com/uploads/2014/10/NAICS-association-high-risk-and-cash-intensive-association-list.pdf. Per the SIC, the following are restricted industries: energy, oil trading, or petroleum extraction or production, and pawn shops. See https://www.referenceforbusiness.com/industries/transportation-communications-utilities/crude-petroleum.html. The NAICS agrees on pawn shops. See https://www.naics.com/wp-content/2014/10-high-risk-and-cash-intensive-NAICS-codes-list.pdf. But what about the new marijuana industry? According to Hoover's, the marijuana industry is coded as follows: SIC code 5999 and NAICS code 453998. The NAICS keeps this code on its high-risk list. See http://www.hoovers.com/industry-facts.marijuana-stores.2080.html. But siccode.com disagrees. They say the cannabis industry should be coded this way: SIC code 5912 and NAICS code 446110. The NAICS also keeps this code on its high-risk list, but these codes seem to be for medical marijuana sales. What about non-medical sales, legal in Colorado, Massachusetts, and other states? See http://www.governing.com/gov-data/safety-justice/state-medical-recreational.html. Does the SIC call marijuana sales, medical or not, high risk? The industry is so new, the SIC doesn't seem to have weighed in yet. Conventional banks are not a good place to look for loans for high-risk industries. Over 89% of business applications are denied by the big banks. High-risk industries are subject to stricter underwriting guidelines, and restricted industries can't get any money from traditional lenders. For restricted industries, the decline is automatic. Private investors can be problematic or may not be an option. Venture capital is not an option unless you have a truly groundbreaking product or service. VCs want to see quick returns on their investment. They also want a chunk of the ownership of your business. Pawn shops, laundromats, and hotels are highly unlikely to fit the bill. You might be able to get angel investing. So what else can you do? There are a lot of loans businesses in high-risk industries can get. They are usually not coming from banks. You can get access to $25,000, $50,000, or even over $100,000 in initial funding and more. Peer-to-peer lending is a viable option. What about United Capital Source? They offer equipment financing, merchant cash advances, term loans, bad credit business loans for borrowers with little or poor credit histories, and invoice and receivables factoring. This lender serves industries like dispensaries, healthcare, gas stations, laundromats, and senior centers. $10,000 to $5 million is available. Terms are 3 to 10 years. Rates are 9% or more fixed. There are no fees. Their requirements are 6 or more months in business, $10,000 or more revenue per month, a 500 credit score or better, and no open bankruptcies. Find them at www.unitedcapitalsource.com/industries. Let's recap. It's not easy to get funding for high-risk industries. Banks' doors are closed to you. Unsecured business financing can work, and so can peer-to-peer lending. Do some creative searching to find lenders for your industry. Contact us today to learn more about rock-solid business funding for risky businesses.